So now what happened? All the animals danced together as the cuckoo sing. La 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 la. He grew stones at me yesterday. I got hurt. He is in trouble. Let's go and help him. So now what happened? All the animals danced together as the cuckoo sing. So now what happened? The cuckoo started singing. That small bird started singing and everyone started dancing. Now someone is crying. Who is crying? It's the naughty boy Teja. Now what happened? When they were dancing, they heard a voice of someone crying. So they are asking that who is crying. So they said that it is a naughty boy Teja. So here is one animal whose name is Teja and he is crying. He threw stones at me yesterday. I got hurt. He is in trouble. Let's go and help him. No, let him cry. He always troubles us. Now see what happened. The bird is saying that he threw stones at me yesterday and I got hurt because of that boy Teja. So now what lion is saying that I think he is crying, so I think he is in trouble, so let's go and help him. But this bear is saying that no need for going and helping him because he is very naughty and he troubles us. He hit me with a stick a few days back while I was plucking mangoes. I don't think that we should help him. He poked a stick at me while I was fast asleep under the neem tree. Now see what happened? Everyone is complaining about this Teja. Monkey said that he hit me with a stick a few days ago while I was taking mangoes from the tree. Now the another animal said that I don't think we should help them. We should not help him because he poked the stick, means he pressed the stick towards me when I was sleeping. Now friends, we need to understand this problem. Ever since his parents passed away, he was been living alone in the house in the woods. He has nobody to talk to or play with. Today is the World Animal Day. On this day, we should learn to live in peace with the human. Let's go. I think if we help him, he will become a good friend of ours. Now see what happened, what lion is saying to everyone, that when Teja was small, he doesn't have his parents. So he used to live alone with in this forest with us. He have no one to play with or no one to talk with. So we should not do like this with him. Come on, let's go and help him. So what this elephant say? Yes, I also think that if we help this Teja, he will become good with us. Okay. Now, don't be scared. Don't be scared of us. Maybe we can solve your problem. What's the matter, kid? We all want to help you. Now what happened? Everybody gone to that Teja and they started asking that don't be scared. Matlab, don't be frightened with us. We all are here to help you. So say me, what is your problem? Then we will help you. We will look for you. We will look for. Well, I lost my keys somewhere around while playing. I can't enter my house. How will I spend the night outside all alone? So now what the boy said, while I was playing in the jungle, I lost my keys. So I am unable to find my keys. Now if I do not find my keys, I won't be able to get into the house. So how can I stay alone in the jungle for all night? So now see what animals are saying. Well, look for your keys. Don't worry. Thank you. Can we all be friends? I am all alone here. Let me search for it in the grass. Here it is, dear. Now see what happened. The bird is saying that now we will find for your keys. Don't worry. So now what the boy is saying, thank you so much. Can we all be the friends? I will stay alone here. So the squirrel is saying, let me search your keys in the grass. Take, I have found your keys. I hope you will forgive me. I troubled you all many times. I'm sorry, friends. Come at my house and let's enjoy together. Sure, why not? Thanks. Now what happened? The squirrel found the keys for the boy. So boy was very happy and the boy said that thank you so much and I'm so sorry that I keep troubling you all the time, that I misbehave with you all. But now I want to make it up. Let's be friends. You come to my house and we all will enjoy. So the tiger said, the lion said, oh, why not? Sure, we will be coming to your house.